Why does life feel so boring lately? You wake up, scroll your phone, watch random videos, and suddenly the whole day is gone. No excitement, no motivation, just the same routine every single day. And the worst part? Even things that used to feel fun don't hit the same anymore. Games feel boring, social media feels empty, even hanging out doesn't feel exciting. It's like you're just existing, not actually living. But here's the truth no one tells you. Life isn't boring. You're just overstimulated. Your brain is getting constant dopamine from short videos scrolling instant entertainment. So real life feels slow and dull in comparison. Think about it. Your brain is used to fast cuts, loud sounds, instant rewards, but real life, it's slow. It takes effort. So your brain says, this is boring. Not because it actually is, but because you've trained it that way. 1. Reduce dopamine overload. Take a break from endless scrolling junk content. Even 1 to 2 hours less per day makes a difference. 2. Do hard things daily. Start doing things that require effort. Work out. Learn a skill, build something. At first it feels boring, but slowly your brain starts enjoying it. 3. Add small challenges. Your life feels boring because nothing is changing. Add small challenges like waking up early, daily goals, improving yourself. Progress equals excitement. You don't need a new life. You just need to fix your habits, because the same life can feel completely different when your mind is in control again. Start small today. Even one change can bring your life back. If you want more real self-improvement content, subscribe. This is just the beginning.